Hey guys, welcome to the pond, or welcome back to the pond. I'm Jalene Prophet with Duck Pond Detailing, and today we are at Walmart to get some car detailing products out on a road trip. Let's go inside. Okay, so we are on a family road trip to Kansas, and we stopped at a Walmart because we are gonna have a lot of rain on the way there. And we have a rental car, and you know what that means. There is no protection on the windshield in said rental car. So that is very dangerous because we are driving through real rain, not California rain, and this Walmart is massive. I mean, guys, it's like a labyrinth in here. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, we are in the Walmart back rooms right now. Seriously. Like, I don't even know where you would go to find like car care products at this point. So we'll be on the hunt, and I'll come back to you guys when we find what we're looking for. Okay guys, so here is the infamous Walmart section, car detailing products. We got a lot of stuff here. A lot. So this is what's important when driving in the rain is hydrophobic protection on the glass. So Rain-X is probably the best option at Walmart. This is just a water repellent, like this is the OG, but they have Rain-X Improved Formula Pro ceramic glass cleaner plus water repellent. To be honest, I don't know if I want to buy this big thing. This is their 2-in-1 glass cleaner rain repellent. So I don't know, which one should we go with? I don't know. Okay, you know what, we'll do this. We'll pick up an Invisible Glass because Invisible Glass is the GOAT, and it's like honestly the best glass cleaner out there, and then we'll pick up a normal just Rain-X. So they have like a Rip and Rags type of roll, which would be pretty good for you guys. And they also have this 30-pack. I don't really need that many, so we're just gonna go for these like little ones down here. So we'll get one for the interior, and it comes with two. So we'll get one for the interior, we'll get one for the glass, and then we'll get some for the paint. So for the exterior, we're gonna get Adams Graphene Detail Spray. Adams Detail Spray is really good on its own, but their graphene detail spray just adds a little bit of protection. So we're gonna kind of use this as like a waterless wash. And then I was thinking maybe instead of just using Adams, we can do Adams Interior Detailer, or we can do Subslab Total Interior Cleaner. What should we do? I know a lot of people have reviewed this stuff, but like, you know what, I should be, you know, this is a vlog. I should be a little bit more like, I know everything. Stay away from this trash. I mean, this is actually not bad. Like, if we're being honest, chemical guys, should we get the chemical guys for the plot, guys? We're getting the chemical guys for the plot, because I'm gonna tell you, this isn't bad. Like, this is not bad. Like, I know like chemical guys, like for an interior cleaner, this is not bad. I used to clean interiors, like whole interiors with this stuff, guys. Should we do it to like piss people off, or should we get like Suds Lab? I'm not gonna use that much product. Then we're gonna stick with the Adams theme because Adams is a pretty solid line, you guys. So we are going to go with the Adams Interior Detailer and the Adams Graphene Detail Spray. We decided on going with the Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner just to test it out for you guys, to see if like maybe if you're in a pinch and you need to like, you know, you're on a road trip and go to Walmart and you just don't want to buy two separate products, like maybe this could really work. So we're going to test that. All right, so we decided to go with the Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner. I've never tried this before, but I didn't feel like buying two products because this glass is just like nasty. So only apply this on exterior glass. We're gonna apply it to our side window first to see like if it streaks. It says excellent rain repellency, drip free, streak free. So I don't know. We have one of our cheapy towels for the exterior. It has like this imitation fluffy side, and then it has this like really thin side. Like, I would not use this professionally, but on a road trip, it's fine if you didn't bring anything. So we'll just do that. We are in the Arizona heat right now, so if it streaks, it streaks. And then we'll flip it to the short side to buff it in. Streaking a little bit, but it's fine. You know, like, rather have streaks than die because you cannot see out of your windows from the rain. So let's look at the windshield. Here we have some nasty bug guts. Let's see if it actually cleans glass, because it says glass cleaner, rain repellent, but yeah, it kind of did. Not a dedicated product review, but it did make the glass a little slicker. I personally would not recommend this though, so we'll see when it rains if it actually has water repellency, but it's okay. So Adams Graphene Detail Spray, we're gonna be using this as a waterless wash. So Adams Detail Spray has pretty good lubrication. So like it's a rental car, like, and it's a cheapy microfiber. I'm not really worried about it. So like if you wanted, you're like, oh my gosh, my wheels, man. You know, you can do this. It smells like watermelons. It's actually really slick. It feels really nice, but mainly what you wanna use this for, like on a road trip, is stuff like this. Bird bombs. See how that's just dissolving all the dirt around it, and then you just take your cheap microfiber and do that. Ew. It was only $2, so we don't worry about it. And then you can do that. If you come to the front and you notice you have like some bug guts and stuff, which you're bound to get when you're driving through the desert, you just do this waterless wash style. So you want to get the surface, you know, pretty wet, and then you're gonna do the roll method so you don't scratch the paint, brand new Ford paint. It does an okay job. Like, it's not designed to dissolve bugs or anything, but you know, if you're a detailer, car enthusiast, you're on a pinch, you just want something really nice for your exterior, this is fine, and it smells good. Got our Adams detailer here. So this is not a dedicated interior cleaner. So this is more for like situations like this, like on a road trip. So like this is a brand new car. It's not dirty at all. But this is for scenarios like if you're eating in the car, you drop a little bit of crumbs, your hand oils get on the car here. So you just take a cheapy microfiber. It smells good too. It's eucalyptus mint. So you can just spray down the surface. And then all you do is wipe. You can get the glass with this too. So it's just something to, you know, have that's nice to just kind of mop up everything. It will leave everything OEM plus, so it does leave a little bit of UV protection behind, and you can see it looks really nice. So this is something good to keep in your car to clean up just little spills or anything. So I really recommend you having a detailer on hand, but specifically Adams does make some pretty decent products. And we'll even hit the glass here too. Flip over to the other side because it's the short pile microfiber, buff, streak free. I mean, look at that. All right, you guys, that completes the video, and that completes this semi detail on the road on my way to see some family in the Midwest, brand smack middle of the United States, Midwest. So I live in California. We just left California and we made it to Arizona, and the car was getting a little grimy. So we came to Walmart to pick up some stuff to not only keep the car pretty clean, but also to show you guys how you can keep your car super clean on a road trip, and some stuff you can pick up at your local Walmart. As for the Rain-X glass repellent, it does an okay job as a glass cleaner. It's nothing like out of the park. It's like, you know, pretty mid. It does streak mildly on hot surfaces. I mean, it's not too hot outside. It's probably like in the 80s. So it does streak on the surface a little bit, as you guys can see. It's not terrible, like it doesn't affect visibility, but if I catch it in the light right, you can see there's that kind of funky haze there. So I don't know, we'll have to check that to see if the water repellency is decent enough. I mean, it was only $6 and it's at Walmart. really wouldn't recommend it. Other than that, Adams Car Care products, I really recommend. Even though they have a lot of products like Chemical Guys, they're not selling you water like Chemical Guys. They actually have some standards with their company. No shade to Chemical Guys at all. That's just not their brand model. Adams brand model is kind of fit for the enthusiast, the beginner, and kind of the professional at times. So I really would recommend their detail spray, their graphene detail spray, their interior cleaner, or their interior quick detailer for road trip scenarios, for beginner scenarios, or for, you know, regular maintenance on your own vehicle. So we've been vlogging more on DPD, and this video is kind of last minute because I am filming while I'm traveling and I didn't have a video for you guys, so I wanted to do something for you guys so you have some content. But we will see you next Monday with a banger video, more typical DPD style. So if you enjoy the vlogs, please tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoy our traditional content, please let me know as well. I would like to, you know, kind of cater to the viewers and cater to the wider audience that I haven't reached yet, because we're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by July. And if we can do that, we're doing a Dodger hat giveaway. So anyway, you guys, I hope you have a great week. We'll see you next time. Thank you all for being here. We'll see you in the next one.